In recent days, China has witnessed a powerful hurricane striking the eastern coasts, described by experts as a devastating hurricane in China, the strongest in years. This storm, known in the media as the China hurricane today, caused major damage to infrastructure, homes, and farmland, with wind speeds exceeding 150 kilometers per hour. Authorities confirmed that this hurricane is hitting China, especially in low-lying coastal areas, leading to uprooted trees and power outages for thousands of households. Tens of thousands of residents were also evacuated amid fears of a destructive sandstorm hurricane in China possibly following in the south. Forecasts indicate that the South China hurricane could be the most violent of the past decade, as flooding and landslides continue. Rescue teams have been working around the clock to assist victims, while the government declared a state of emergency and sent urgent aid to areas struck by the hurricane in China. It is worth noting that the devastating hurricane in China is not the first of its kind, as the country faces several hurricanes annually due to its geographic location on the Pacific Ocean. What makes this season different, however, is the accumulation of extreme weather events that have worsened the situation. Facing the aftermath of such a destructive hurricane remains a major challenge for both the authorities and residents, as China continues to warn of ongoing severe weather in the coming days.
我操，太阳猫！我操，浪太阳猫！我操！哇！